Hello students, today we are going to discuss politics class 9 and it is the lesson 5, name of working of institutions. Under this video we will discuss these points. First, two houses of parliament. Second, we will try to understand which of the two houses is more powerful, and third point, which today we will discuss later, what do you mean by Lok Sabha. Next point, difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and last we will try to discuss work of main institutions. So students, as your name is a working of institution, so in here we should be understand very carefully that our government system, government body is also already as a institution. Our government which is taking all decision, doing work by the parliament, which has been run by the representative, and representative stand by you. So students, government is running by the people. That means parliament is the house of people. So in here we try to understand first point, parliament two houses. That means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What is the matter of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Actually, students, in our central governments, two houses has been present. First is the Lok Sabha and second is the Rajya Sabha. In here, first we will try to understand what is the numbers of members in the Lok Sabha. There are maximum 552 members to be in the Lok Sabha. But position of present time, nowadays, member of Lok Sabha is the 543 has been present in our parliament, in our Lok Sabha. Very important fact, we should try to understand about Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the also as a constitutional body where has been elected persons as a representative, but they are not elected by indirect voting system by the citizens. The member of Rajya Sabha number of Rajya Sabha member is the students 252. It's to be maximum number of members. But nowadays position of their member of to their is only 245. Sorry students, maximum number of 250. But present time member is a 245. In here we should be understand some major important fact. 233 members has been decided by the union and state governments, and other 12 members has been nominated by the president, and it's related to the musician and other famous technological area, or you can say as a artist, singer and other business corporate, like that 12 members has been nominated by the presidents. Now we will try to understand something, what is the election up to both houses. In parliament, in Lok Sabha, representative which has been elected by the direct vote of the people, general voters can give the vote. All citizens have a right to give the vote, and they choose the MP which has become as a member of parliament in the Lok Sabha. And other election process of the Rajya Sabha, where has been 245 members that has been elected by the members of parliament, Lok Sabha, and members of state governments also. They try to include it and they try to give indirect vote to the members of Rajya Sabha that there has been decided as their members. So students, it is the matter of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now in here we should be understanding about what is the system, what is the process of two houses power. It is your second point, students, which of the two houses is most powerful. So students, the number of members in Lok Sabha more than Rajya Sabha. any proposal, any prastav, any bill to be passed by the Lok Sabha, they go in the Rajya Sabha. After Lok Sabha, that to be after signed by the president, it to be become as a law. Understand next. If any resolution, any proposal has been important to any related place concerning MP, try to make such types of law. They will make a proposal and to be discussed in Parliament in front of all legislature. If that proposal will pass by the majority of the Lok Sabha, that proposal to be sent in the Rajya Sabha. If Rajya Sabha also will pass, that to be go in front of the president. After sign the president, that proposal will become as a law, and they should be applied by the executive body. So students, in other view also we should be try to understand if Lok Sabha try to pass any proposal but Rajya Sabha will reject that proposal, what to be that time? So students, that proposal to be go in the joint session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and there what to be majority? Lok Sabha already has been near about 500, position up to there 250. What to be there? This sure should be passed by them very frequently. So we can say Lok Sabha is the lower house, Rajya Sabha is the upper house, but Lok Sabha is the high powerful authority and Rajya Sabha is the low. Because in Lok Sabha all cabinets has been present, all executive power has been present, all law making system has been present. Every law first will go under the Lok Sabha, after that it may go in the Rajya Sabha. So students, Lok Sabha is the greater according to the power because they are people of the house. Lok Sabha is the people of the house. The member of Lok Sabha is direct elected by the citizens, by the general voters of people of India. And execution power also has been present under the Lok Sabha. So students, in here we can say Lok Sabha has a power to do all everything. For example, in here we can say if any systematic fact, any rule regulation is important in any place has been made in our state governments and district authority try to implement that. If they are not in working, judiciary try to give the punishment out there. For example, in your house, your father said, you so try to study and maximum try to talk English and you try to make sufficient percentage of their marks. All students of your house, your brother and sister try to do according to that work. But after that, somebody try to break the rules. They don't using maximum English. They not preparation their class. After that, result has been in some students' favor and somebody is against. What's to be to there? Your parents or other person who has been authority to your house, they will try to give you as a punishment. But what's to be students? What's to be there? How will the result be there? So students, this is the matter of that, which we are going to try to understand.